Mergon is a specialist contract manufacturer working in partnership with the world's leading OEMs and disruptors in the automotive, industrial and healthcare markets. We believe that ideas make the world go round. That all progress is driven by an idea conjured from somebody's imagination. But all ideas come with challenges. That's why we're here. To serve our customers by moulding solutions that turn their great ideas into great products. Contributing to a better, more sustainable future for business, consumers and society. Everything we do is driven by the type of people we are and underpinned by our 3 core values. Care. We care about our colleagues, our customers and our communities. Confidence. We are competent professionals trusted to do what we say we'll do. We invest in our people to ensure we continue to grow and do our best work every day. Curiosity. We are innovators. We are good listeners and imaginative problem solvers. We embrace change to help our customers, our colleagues and ourselves. Mergon. We mould ideas for a sustainable future.